Dead Star, written by Paz Marquez Benitez. Dead Star was set in early 20th century during Philippine-American colonial period. The story revolves around Alfredo Salazar engaged with Esperanza, a daughter of a respected judge. During his engagement, Alfredo found himself drawn to another woman, which is Julia Salas, whom he met at a party. Julia Salas is an engaged woman herself, captivates Alfredo with her beauty and charm. Alfredo became infatuated to Julia to the point that he began to question his feelings for Esperanza. He struggles with conflicting emotions as he grapples with societal expectation placed upon him and his own desire. But despite his growing feelings for Julia, Alfredo continues to honor his engagement to Esperanza. The story unfolds when Alfredo and Julia engage with subtle flirtation, exchange of letters, and the clandestine meetings. However, Alfredo's inner conflict intensifies as he realizes the consequences of pursuing Julia and the impact it would have been on both women. Dead Stars explores the theme of complexities of love because it depicts the intricacies of romantic relationships and the emotions that accompany them. Why is it complexities of love is the main theme of the story? Because the story begins when Alfredo Salazar engaged with Esperanza, a girl from his town. The engagement symbolizes the conventional notion of love, influenced by societal expectations and a familial pressure. So, it is familial pressure because Alfredo's and Esperanza's engagement or Alfredo's and Esperanza is arranged by their family into marriage. Alfredo's and Esperanza's engagement represent the conventional notion of love rather than personal choice or romantic compatibility. And also, during his engagement to Esperanza, Alfredo found himself drawn to another woman, which is Julia Salas. But it shows the conflicting emotions or the or shows the complexities of love. Despite his engagement to Esperanza, he found himself drawn to another woman, which is Julia Salas. So that would be for the theme of Dead Star. Thank you.